Hello everyone, 大家好 Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my bathroom. Today we're gonna have a bathroom tour and I'm gonna show you all of the vocabularies used in bathroom. As you can see, many Europe countries, bathroom and toilet are separated. We start from the toilet. First, this thing we call it 马桶. 马桶. Do not say 厕所. 厕所 it means all of this room. All of this room we call it 厕所. But only this thing we call it 马桶. And 我打开马桶. 我打开马桶. And this thing 马桶圈 we can say 放下马桶圈放下马桶圈 After use you need to press this we say 冲马桶冲马桶 we use the verb 冲马桶 Toilet paper we say 卫生纸卫生纸 This thing we call it 洗手池 or 洗手台 The whole thing we call it 浴室柜浴室柜 And this is 毛巾毛巾 Liquid soap to wash your hands We say 洗手液洗手液洗手液 This thing, do you still remember? I introduced it before in my kitchen. It's called 水龙头水龙头 So 打开水龙头 and 关上水龙头 Okay? And here we come, the bathroom. So first, this we call it 镜子镜子 mirror 镜子 This is a 浴缸浴缸 and this bathtub has a massage function so we may call it 按摩浴缸按摩浴缸这个 this thing we call it 花洒花洒花洒 This we may call it 浴刷浴刷 Bath form we may call it 泡泡浴液泡泡浴液 When you add a little to the water it make a lot of bubbles 泡泡浴液 Shampoo we call it 洗发水洗发水 Conditioner we call it 护发素护发素护发素 Okay, shower gel we call it 沐浴露沐浴露沐浴露 Okay, here again wash your hands we may call it 洗手台 or 洗手池洗手池 Then 水龙头水龙头这个是牙刷牙刷 and 牙膏牙膏 and this is 漱口水漱口水我拿杯子我拿杯子接水我拿杯子接水然后我用牙刷刷牙我用牙刷刷牙 I use teeth brush to brush teeth I usually use soft lanes which you put in your eye Here you can put in your eye because I have short-sighted Here we call it 隐形眼镜隐形眼镜 invisible glass we call it 隐形眼镜。This is a 隐形眼镜盒。隐形眼镜盒。This one we call it 隐形眼镜药水。隐形眼镜药水。Oh, this, do you still remember? I also introduced it in my kitchen. This is called 插座。插座。And this switch, we call it 开关。开关 because you can 开 and 关. Two action together became a noun. 开关. So this thing, we call it 开关 and this is 插座. The drawer, we call it 抽屉. The verb, we say 我开抽屉。我开抽屉 and 关抽屉。关抽屉。This thing which put your dirty clothes 脏衣篮。脏衣篮。脏 dirty 衣 clothes 篮 basket dirty clothes basket 脏衣篮 and this is a 毛巾。毛巾。Let's review all of the vocabularies. So first 我开灯。开灯 and 我开门。开门这是什么？ Do you still remember? 这是马桶。马桶 do not call 厕所。厕所 is whole room. And this one, we say 马桶。Okay, 我冲马桶。冲马桶。卫生纸。卫生纸。洗手池。洗手池。洗手液。洗手液。Okay. Here we have 镜子。镜子。浴缸。浴缸。水龙头。水龙头 and 花洒。花洒。浴刷。浴刷。这个泡泡浴液。泡泡浴液。Shampoo, we call 洗发水。洗发水。Conditioner, 护发素。护发素。And 沐浴露。沐浴露。Oh yes, this is a small thing I wanted to introduce. How we usually call this a small thing? We call it 地漏。地漏。Okay, and so here again, 洗手池。水龙头。这个是牙刷。牙刷。and 牙膏。牙膏。漱口水。漱口水。隐形眼镜 and 隐形眼镜盒。这个是开关。开关 and 插座。插座。浴室柜。浴室柜。Oh, this thing, girls, I want to introduce to you. This one we call it 头箍。头箍。 You just put like this, so you can wash your face. We call it 头菇. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Next time we're going to learn art words. Song, singer, lyric, etc. If anything I didn't cover in my video, please leave me a comment below and I will straight answer you. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your watching and hope to see you again. Bye!